Allow me to take you through the answers of the activity of the previous lesson. Number 1. We are supposed to find the circumference of a circle whose radius 1 or part A was 10 centimeters and part B 100 decimeters. And we are supposed to use pi 3.14. Remember, circumference is equal to 2 pi r, which is 2 times pi times r. Remember, pi is 3.14 and the radius is 10 centimeters. So, it is 2 times 3.14 times 10 centimeters, and this is equal to 62.8 centimeters. Part B, circumference still is equal to 2 pi r, which is 2 times pi times r. Remember, pi is 3.14 and the radius is 100 millimeters. This is equal to 2 times 3.14 times 100 millimeters. And this is equal to 628 millimeters. Number 2. A tire has a radius of 14 centimeters. What distance does it cover in one revolution? Remember, one revolution is equal to one circumference. And circumference is given by formula 2 pi r, which is 2 times pi times r. By substituting, we shall have 2 times 20 out of 7 times 14 centimeters, which is 44 times 2 centimeters, giving us 88 centimeters. Now, let us look at new content, and it's about finding circumference of a semicircle and a quadrant. A semicircle and a quadrant are special sectors of a circle. A semicircle is a half of a circle. When we talk of circumference, we shall be looking at the length of the curved surface. A quadrant is a quarter of a circle. Therefore, the circumference of a quadrant is the length of the curved surface. Let us work out the following. Number 1. Find the circumference of a semicircle whose diameter is 20 millimeters. Use pi 3.14. By formula, circumference of a semicircle is a half pi times diameter, which is a half times pi times diameter. Remember, pi is 3.14 and diameter is 20 millimeters. So, it is a half times 3.14 times 20 millimeters. And this gives 31.4 millimeters. Number 2. Calculate the circumference of a quadrant whose radius is 7 centimeters. Use pi 22 out of 7. Circumference of a quadrant is the distance round the curved surface. Therefore, circumference of a quadrant by formula is a quarter times 2 times pi times radius. And this gives us a quarter times 2 times 22 out of 7 times 70 centimeters. And this gives us 11 centimeters. Activity. Find the circumference of part A, a semicircle whose diameter is 14 centimeters. Part B, a quadrant whose radius is 14 centimeters. Use pi 22 out of 7.